Dividing decimal by a decimal. So, yung dividend natin ay decimal at ang divisor naman ay decimal. So, let's take 5.76 as our dividend, 0.44 times as our divisor. So, in dividing, you must consider the divisor. Dapat whole number yung divisor before you proceed in dividing the number. Okay, so move natin once para magiging whole number siya. Move din natin once ito. Kasi once ka nag-move dito, isang beses ka rin mag-move. So, this one numbers nandito na. So, this will become 57.6, okay, divided by 4. So, then proceed to division, okay? So, 5 divided by 4 equals 1. 1 times 4 equals 4, then minus 17 divided by 7. 17 divided by 4 equals, 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. Minus is 1. Copy the decimal point. Bring down 6. 16 divided by 4 equals 4. So 4 times 4 equals 16. So the answer here is 14. So this is now our quotient. Okay, let's answer number 2. 86.4 divided by 0.15. Okay, let's take 86.4 as our dividend and 0.15 as our divisor. Since our divisor is not a whole number, let's make it a whole number by moving 2 places. 1, 2. Then, kung anong ginawa mo dito, gagawin mo rin sa kabila dyan sa dividend. So, move the 1 and add 0.